Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate WooCommerce REST API for automation, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate the WooCommerce REST API for automation, start by navigating to your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce and then to Settings. In the Settings menu, select the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, click on REST API. Now, click the Add Key button to create a new API key. You will see options for providing a description for your key. Fill in a relevant description to help identify this key later. Next, select the user for whom this key will be created. Make sure the user has the appropriate permissions, such as a shop manager or admin. Then, choose the level of access for this key, read, write, or read/write. After setting the permissions, click on the Generate API Key button. Your new API keys will appear on the next screen. Take note of the consumer key and consumer secret displayed. These keys are essential for authentication in your API requests. Now, ensure that you keep these keys secure and do not share them publicly. Next, you can use these keys in your automation scripts. When making an API request, include the consumer key and consumer secret in your authentication header. You can use basic authentication or OAuth for sending requests. For basic authentication, encode your keys in base64 format. For OAuth, use a library to handle the authentication process for you. Decide on the method that best suits your automation needs. Once you've set up your automation environment, test the API connection. Make a simple API call, such as retrieving product data. Confirm that the connection is successful and that you receive the expected response. If you encounter issues, check your API permissions and the provided keys. Finally, document your setup and usage for future reference. This will ensure a smooth workflow as you automate WooCommerce tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.